Understanding, get a clear picture, unraveling idioms in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, focusing on the phrase, get a clear picture. Idioms are a key part of mastering English, adding color and depth to our conversations. So, if you've ever found yourself puzzled by phrases that don't make literal sense, you're in the right place. Let's get a clear picture of what this idiom really means and how you can use it effectively in your daily conversations. When someone says they get a clear picture of a situation, they're not talking about photography or art. Instead, they're using an idiom to express that they understand something fully and clearly. It's all about grasping the complete details or having a comprehensive understanding of a situation, concept, or problem. Imagine trying to understand a complex story or solving a difficult problem. When you finally understand it completely, you can say you've gotten a clear picture. This phrase is often used in both personal and professional contexts, making it a versatile addition to your English vocabulary. Now that we know what it means, let's see how to use get a clear picture in sentences. Here are a few examples. 1. Before making a decision, it's important to get a clear picture of all the options and consequences. 2. After the meeting, I finally got a clear picture of what the project entails. 3. Can you explain it again? I'm not sure I have a clear picture of the situation yet. Notice how the phrase can be used to talk about understanding situations, tasks, or explanations. It's especially useful when you're trying to emphasize the importance of full comprehension before taking action. Like many idioms, get a clear picture has variations that you might hear in different contexts. Some of these include get the full picture, have a clear picture, and see the big picture. While they all revolve around the concept of understanding, each one might be used slightly differently depending on the situation or personal preference. Understanding idioms like get a clear picture can significantly enhance your ability to communicate effectively in English. It's not just about the words themselves but the context and the deeper meaning behind them. We hope this video has helped you get a clear picture of how and when to use this idiom. Remember, mastering idioms is a step toward more fluent and expressive English communication. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.